is this? I have special requests. Yes, I like to win the lotto. Okay, what? This is what?
So you can go ahead and let it hit me.
Yeah, no.
Can you put it on there and let it hit me again? Okay, it's going to hit me. Look at that. It hits me, but it doesn't hurt me. Ow! It hurts a little bit, but there's no blood. Okay, that's enough. Oh, it's got nice lights. Okay. That's good. Just keep it high. That's good right there, yeah. That's good. I can't have people in the video.
Okay.
That's great, thank you. Go ahead. I'll cut that out, don't worry. That's nice control. And this helicopter will shoot the missiles?
Yes.
Do you want him to pull the trigger?
Yeah, he needs to hold still. And then, okay. Yeah, I missed it. Wow. I have a toy blog news report.
News report. Okay, you gotta have a personal interview with Mr. Wang. Okay, he has a lot of advantage and strength on the toy business.
Okay, good.
刘先生，你在讲英语太棒了，
哦，没有没有，
真的
跟他讲，
太棒了
我说，因为他是一个美国这种爆玩具的公司，我说他可以给你推荐。
OK啊，
我建议他那个他如果不在想，有没有在听我就不懂了。
那真的很好，真的很好。
我哋大家就唔得嗌學歪落時候。
That's nice. Those are nice. Black Hawk. Those are good. And here's the packaging.
What about educational toy?
每個波士啊！
Wow. I have not seen that before. And he can do that while it's hovering.
Bye bye.
See? You can lower the basket and fly with it. Where'd it go? And you can bring it back up. He rescues the candy.
应该马上下班了。摸板，你摸板摸下路耶。
To kill me, I guess I'm doing okay. I'm lost among the millions, just an empty head filled with the sky. I separated my life between the boring and exciting parts. And yet my life is as fair